Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting inside the document. You don't need to set up styles yet. Select the paragraph or whole text frame with the Type tool so you can change spacing for the selection. Once done, open the Paragraph panel from Window Type and Tables Paragraph. Make sure you can see Align, Indents, and Space controls. This gives you immediate access to space before slash after and leading controls so you can apply precise adjustments right away. Now you'll change the actual numbers that control spacing. With your paragraph selected, change space before or space after in the Paragraph panel to add or remove gap between paragraphs. Small increments like 4/8 pt often work. For line spacing inside the paragraph, adjust leading in the Character panel. Set explicit values rather than auto if you need consistent results. Once you see the look you want, make sure to preview across pages so spacing remains uniform and readable. Finish by applying or saving the change. Create or update a paragraph style so every similar paragraph stays consistent, and use Redefine style to push the new spacing document-wide. Once done, check for overrides. Clear local overrides if some paragraphs still look different because manual overrides trump styles. If you run into issues, inspect nested styles, keep options, and text frame or story level overrides.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.